I'd just like to explain what to expect from a Jawda assessment visit. We will, of course, have been in touch with you prior to that to do a self-assessment and to arrange that with you. And then we will find a suitably convenient date to send our assessors along. It could be one assessor or it could be two. And we will spend maybe half a day or all a day with you, depending on the size of the setting. Normally, once we've arrived in the morning, we would expect to have a short tour of the centre. It's very important that we work together with you on this so that we don't disrupt the children at all. So the first thing we would do is plan which rooms we were going into, and we would spend maximum 15 minutes observing the practice in each room. We would be looking at the interaction, the engagement, the resources and the environment. As well as looking at all of the teaching rooms, we would be making ourselves aware of the health and hygiene and health and safety regulations that occur during the day. So we would perhaps look at the washrooms, we'd look at any particular art rooms or physical education rooms, indoor and outdoor, and we would watch the children at a meal time as well. We would also be very interested to see greeting parents when they drop the children off and when they collect them at the end of the day. Very, very useful to you because we will then write a report and give you feedback on all aspects of your day.